Sunday. Different location, but it still counts. Different location. New dance tutorial for you, my fellow dancers. I've got Miss Stephanie. Better know who she is. And myself. We're going to show you something brand new, never shown before. Kind of a cool name I gave it. It's called Hook and Leader. You'll see when you see it. Okay. To start off though, this basic move is a right side pass. The ladies are doing a turn. It's kind of a difficult beginning move, but we'll show it to you. Sugar push, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. She's turning full turn and a half to her right. Now guys are going to get off the track to your left. So when I get to 1, 2, I'm going to change my palm. I'm going to put my palm into hers. She compresses off of that hand, and guys are going to push her and put her on the other side of the track. Kind of a tough move. Sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I go 1, push, turn her, and she finishes on the other side of the track. So we're going to do it this way. Put her back where she was. Sugar push, guys off the track to your left, push, turn, send her through, okay? Now that leads up to the fancy move, where you hook your partner. Get to a sugar push. This is a basic move, 6 counts in this West Coast swing. I'm gonna go 1, 2. Now as Stephanie starts to turn, I'm gonna take my right hand and hook it behind her back for 3 and 4. And what I'm doing is I'm coming around her right side and picking her up. Because she's turning, she doesn't know anything else of what's going on. Guys, you gotta come around and pick up the back side of her back. So I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now if you saw that, I come around, still hold her right hand, but I got to hook her. You know what I mean? So I do a sugar push, take this hand, I go 1, 2, here I hook, 3 and 4. Now I'm assisting with both my left and my right to make her walk around clockwise. Okay? So it looks pretty cool when you do it a little quicker. You got to get there pretty quick. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm on my left, Stephanie's on her right. We're going to keep walking. 5, 6. Now I'm done on 6. You can keep walking as long as it's an even number, but let go of her hand. 7 and 8. She's on her left, I'm on my right. So look at it again. Guys, come around, hook the arm. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I let go of her right hand by 6, so her other arm slides down into mine. So let's go this way. Getting into the hook. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. I let go. 7 and 8. So I'm off the track. If you saw that, she's looking straight ahead. The track is what she owns. I'm off to her left because I want to get out of it. You can keep doing more walks, but we don't want to do that. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I'm actually leading her around. It's called hook and leader because you hook her, you know what I mean, and then you lead her. Now to get out of it, right to right. You can do whatever you want with this, but we're going to walk forward 1, 2, turn her full turn to her left, 3 and 4 over the head, 5 and 6. We didn't do that kind of quick. So you get here to the finish. 1, 2, over the head, let her go. Guys, 1, 2, 3 and 4, stay off to her left. And then when she finishes 5 and 6, get back on the track. So the whole thing, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Front to back. Do a sugar push. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Walk her over the head and then let her go. You hook around her back, lead her around clockwise, let her go, finish the move. Brand new, never shown that before. Do you like it?
I do.
She has to say she likes it, but I think she does. So I hope you guys like it too. Please give us a thumbs up in the video. Remember to subscribe. We'll give you a new video next time you see us. We'll be in a different location. We're scouting. But until next time, as always, thank you for watching Have a great week. Keep dancing.